Siyempre sa inyo po lahat ng sa Korea, lahat welcome to Korea. And of course, Korea is nandito kanila mga authentic na pagkain. And of course, hindi mawawala ang kanilang mga during that you ate in the restaurant, ang kanilang mga what you call it, ang kanilang mga side dishes, the kimchi side dishes. So right now is really good. Yes, right. Wow, gold bar. So okay, we got to take you all. I went there a while ago, so I'm gonna walk in here. Wow, such a lovely, beautiful place. I think I lost. Hindi naman, I'm not lost. It's really good. Wow, napakaganda. Imagine the lights. It was amazing. At such a lovely, beautiful place. Ooh, it's really good. And in this place, so I'm gonna take you a walk right in here. Wow, imagine that. Lahat ng mga authentic restaurant, they are in here. So one day I'm gonna go in here. Oh, chill ko. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Welcome back po sa ating channel. Winter right in here in KR. And of course today is -11. Siyempre sa mga palandin po ng airport, mag-grip po tayo ng warm jacket. And of course mag-grip po tayo ng medyas. And of course we need to warm like sneaker yung medyo mainit. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Pag bago ka lang, siyempre can subscribe and comment dyan below. Siyempre halika, road. And of course, I'm gonna go to City Hall. Yes, to give you a lecture. And kumusta po kayong lahat? And of course, right now the time in here almost like 6:30 araw ng ating ayan. Shoutout sa ating mga Jaricads, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, Buenos Dias, Buenos Noches, and Buenos Tardes te quiero mucho. Annyeonghaseyo. Siyempre, in Korea, sarang heyo. And ohay gozaimasu, domo arigatou kay Japan. Hindi naman mawawala ang ating pagbati dyan sa bansang bonjour, merci beaucoup in Paris, France. Diyos ko ating music. Siyempre, kumusta na samantahan na natin ang ating pag-iisip para dito sa bansang Korea. Because someday is magiging story na lang ang ating buhay. So, we do travel and of course vlog and of course that's a good memory. Someday, magiging story na lang ang ating buhay. Yes, right in here, and of course, you know, Jarica to Korea is at #1 in manufacturer. And ang mga Android, dito nang galing kanilang mga Android phone. And of course, right in here, and imagine that ang kanilang mga transportation is really awesome and it's really good what it is. At ang kanilang mga product for the pampaganda andito. At syempre, ang kanilang mga K-pop, dito nang galing ang mga taba sa mga K-pop. Syempre, malay mo, isa ka sa mga K-pop na iniidolo. All there is, get your phone, mag-vlog ka na, malay mo, ikaw na ang magiging YouTube sensation. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Siyempre, andito lang sa inyong channel na lagi marangat na walang dangal. Ang ganda naman ng music. I hope they can hear that. I remember this one is yung dating, oh yes, I remember this one yung dating bus terminal. And look at the bus in here, it's really good. And it was so amazing, it was so beautiful at napakaganda ng ambience. Yes, akit ako dito para makita natin ang view. Siyempre, kumusta ka na? Isa ka ba sa nangarap na magpunta right in Korea to work? Yes, siyempre. Dahil gusto mong makita ng snow. Right now, it's super cold and it's so windy. Siyempre, sa lahat ng mga Jaricads, we always inspired, never expired. Sa lahat ng mga breadwinning award, siyempre, we never stop dreaming. Yes, isa yan ang ating katawan. Lagi natin ingatan kasi sangkapan yan sa ating kabuhay. So right now, such a lovely, it's so beautiful. And of course, we can see the beautiful lights in here. I'm gonna go to other city. I'm gonna find something. No, I wanna get something like meds sa aking paa. But it's alright. The good thing is, okay, we can get a taxi. I'm gonna get a taxi right now. In there, we're gonna ride taxi. Okay, we're gonna get a ride taxi from in there kasi we cannot walk. It means pag blue na in this one or green something because I'm sorry, I'm a blind color. Yes, alright, we're gonna get a taxi right in there. Oh, merong nauna. Oh, thank you Lord. Okay, we're gonna go get taxi in here. Siyempre, para marating para roon. Alright, we're gonna go in here. Okay na siguro to. So we're gonna go inside. 안녕하세요. 네, 로터스 한번 가주세요. So we're gonna go in there to City Hall. Gonna take you a little bit like a road trip. Wow, in the night time it's really good and beautiful. Imagine the amount of get a taxi in here is they have a heater, so you don't need to be worried when you ride a taxi. It's really good and I feel like comfortable. And meron siyang heater. Well, imagine sa mga Javarka, dito natin makita yung mga authentic like Korean food restaurant. Wow, it's really good like in the night time. We can see right in here, yes. We went there many times. It's really good food. Wow, imagine that light. It was really beautiful. Wow. And of course, finally, we arrived our destination. Finally, mga Javarkas, we arrived our destination. Welcome to City Hall. They called it like the center of the Songtan. Yeah, so we're gonna go and explore you in here. Wow, such a lovely, beautiful Tuesday for today. And I give a little bit more to that the taxi that we ride. So we need to cross on the street. We need to wait. Oh, they don't have lights in here. We're gonna cross. Really? Okay, we're gonna cross on the street. A illegal pedestrian. Wow, such a lovely, beautiful. Yeah, but it's so much cold, and because the weather right now is, I think it's minus 11. Wow, this one's authentic restaurant. Such a lovely, beautiful. So I'm gonna take you a walk in here. Wow, Javarkas, we always inspired, never expired. Such a really cold. I'm gonna view in here. Wow, imagine that is the light. And then, yung kanilang mga noribang is mga chok-chok pang-pang. And of course, they're open. Wow, it's really good. I went there many times. Just, I'm gonna go in the side to give you a little bit more tour. Ang ating road trip right in here in KR. Siyempre, kumusta po kayong lahat? Siyempre, sino nga ba ang gustong ayaw sa ibang bansa to work and of course to make money? Wow. And this one here before, wow, it's really good. It was amazing. Yeah, sometimes we need to be hanging out, we need to be travel even although nearby because ang tayo nagtatrabaho. Such a really good and beautiful places right in here. Wow, this one is, wow, ang ganda ng lights. Imagine that. This one is all restaurant and club. Napakadaming club in here. Oh, I thought, oh, this is a restaurant. Oh, imagine that. I'm hungry, but no, we cannot afford this order. This order, we gonna go home at saka kain na lang. Punta lang tayo dito. I'm gonna get something, make a vlog para po sa inyong lahat. Wow, I think this is a brand new. I never went there before. No, mga Javarkas. No need, but it's okay. So, sa inyo po lahat sa Korea, lahat welcome to Korea. And of course, Korea is nandito kanila mga authentic na pagkain. And of course, hindi mawawala ang kanilang mga during that you ate in the restaurant, ang kanilang mga what you call it, ang kanilang mga side dishes, the kimchi side dishes. So right now it's really good. Yes, right. Wow, gold bar. So okay, we got to take you walk. I went there a while ago, so I'm gonna walk in here. Wow, such a lovely, beautiful place. I think I lost. Hindi naman, I'm not lost. It's really good. Wow, napakaganda. Imagine the lights. It was amazing. At such a lovely, beautiful place. Ooh. It's really good. And in this place, So I'm gonna take a walk right in here. Wow, imagine that, lahat ng mga authentic restaurant, they are in here. So one day I'm gonna go in here. Oh, chill kung palagong like 70, 80s live music. Wow, look at the chicken. Ang sarap naman, ha? Talagang nakakahingan yung to come and visit right in here in KR. Such a lovely, beautiful. Wow, it's look like I'm in Hongdae, but wala ako sa Hongdae. Andito lang ako sa City Hall, Songtan. Charan, andito lang ako sa Songtan. Okay, wow, right in. This one is like a Noribang. They call this like karaoke. Wow, maraming chok-chok pang dyan. Right in here. Okay, whoa, I love this one. This is really good. And imagine that, parang asa Japan or China. Wow, it's really good. Ang ating road trip, it was amazing and it was so brilliant and it was so fancy. Wow, it was amazing. Wow. Wow, this one like seafoods. Seafood restaurant. It's like a food trip. Oh, I see lechon in here. Wow, look at that. Lamig naman. Oh, lamig kaayo ba? Sarap. Imagine that chicken. It's really good. Mahilig ako sa manok. In here, this one is authentic restaurant Asia. All good restaurant, they are in here. And of course, pag nag-board ka, you can tap your card in here, and of course you can ride the bike ready to go. Yes, and of course I visit my favorite optical.